This video is going to show you how to make easy strawberry shortcake. First, you need a greased cupcake pan and a box of pound cake mix, and just mix it up like it says on the box. This one was 2 eggs and 3/4 cup of milk. And you just mix it up till it's creamy. Everything's mixed together. And we need a bowl of strawberries, cleaned and ready to go. And we're just going to beat this till it's nice and creamy. Okay, once you get all the pound cake mix in our cupcake pan, then we'll put a strawberry in each one. Make sure you leave room for the strawberry shortcake to grow, because you don't want it to go over into your oven. So put one nice big strawberry in each one. Some of them can get 2. They will sink into the middle of the shortcake. We're going to give them a little help. We're going to push them down a little. Just a little bit. So they're snug in there. And we're going to bake them on 325 for 45 minutes or till golden brown. Our strawberry shortcake cupcakes just came out of the oven. I took one out and cut it open so you can see the strawberries inside. Just top it with a little Cool Whip and you're ready to eat. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like your easy strawberry shortcake.